What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka AUDIOZONE. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving this channel. Can't even tell you guys how grateful we are to almost be at 20K, y'all. So we're almost got 20,000 followers. That's a big accomplishment. I can't even tell you, man. It's just something that's a blessing, man. But today we're at the shop. We got a couple builds coming out, man. Let me just walk you through the shop so y'all can see what's going on. Well, of course, we got the Viper here. This one should be out. This is my car. We should have this one out in a few days. This one I had to send the turbos to get rebuilt out. You see the whole bottom missing here. Y'all see the previous videos y'all seen that we're taking her apart, but the Viper is here. Getting the turbos redone, getting a couple little things done, set up for her to have it ready. That's my Nova, y'all. So y'all wonder where the Novocaine is? Well, the Novocaine is here at the shop. We're getting her ready too to start taking it to the track. Y'all haven't really seen this car, but it's really my drag car. Fully built, small block 350, suspension done. Everything in this car is done to race. Big tires in the back, as you can tell, the Hoosiers here. Drag setup, coilovers, fuel cells, fuel system, as you can tell right there. Like everything you could possibly think about, but that's not what's important. We're actually having a little dilemma with this one. This one, the body man has the parts for this one. We're doing a ZR1 conversion in the front of the C7 Corvette. This customer probably gonna be upset because we just got noted that I'll call them to go pick up the parts today to get this done by the weekend. But unfortunately, the paint guy's son committed suicide over the weekend, so he's obviously not going to be at the shop. That's a dilemma we have to deal with. I know the customer's not going to be happy. He wanted his car for an event on Saturday. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll deal with that one now. I don't have no control over that. We don't do paint and body in the house yet, and I say yet because we're planning on bringing it in because we need to be able to not outsource this and be responsible for our own work. But it is what it is, y'all. This one here was the COG, which means customer's own gear. He brought his own wide body to install. We have already installed the wide body, and I can show y'all here. The fitment on this is ridiculous. I mean, it's even better than OEM. As you could tell, it's even better than OEM on that. It's like perfect, you know what I'm saying? But he didn't want to get it painted or nothing because he's getting it wrapped. Today the team will be installing that front bumper and getting this one done and getting this ready for delivery. This is gonna be the project, y'all, for the day. But this is a Chevy Silverado pickup truck, or Denali, I'm sorry. Don't wanna do that, but he had a previous build in here and we are repairing it. So he had the box already made. We've added all the full ranges in there to give him that good bass. He's got his bass. We're doing the amplifier installs down here, as you can tell. two Nemesis amplifiers and the rest of his stuff he has there. Still in the factory radio. We're doing door speakers, tweeters, stuff like that in the front. And this should be a phenomenal build. Most of the equipment's back here. What's gonna kill this truck is that we're actually doing marine speakers, as you can tell here. These boxes are coated, so they'll be waterproofed, but they're gonna be going 2 in the back of the truck, 2 in the front of the truck, making it be pretty damn loud outside, y'all. So that was kind of the build I'm gonna be showing y'all today. It's a crazy build. The customer requested it this way, and we're gonna comply with what the customer's requesting to get it done. So I'm gonna have the team start tearing this apart, start getting this together. They've already started working on this. I didn't get y'all some of the beginning vlogs on it, but the team can be working on this today and getting this car out of here for today. So that's kind of the goal, is to get this car out of the shop today. On top of that, let me show you, Josh.
Today, like you're trying to like send a message to me. Like,
no, I was talking to people. I was talking to YouTube. If I have to tell you, Josh, and be like, Josh, I need this done today. And Josh has been with me now for many, many years, man. You know, the grind here is a little bit different. One thing I want to take a moment is always thank you guys, because in reality, if we have the business that we have and the success we have, is for you guys. Always share, like, and subscribe, and support the thing, man. Also, giving y'all a note, middle of July, we're planning a big car meet with CJ, REELTOREAL, myself. We have a parking lot that has 300 to 400 car parking spot. It should be big, it should be epic. We're gonna knock out the summertime with a bang. We're gonna be displaying the Viper there. We're gonna definitely have the Novocaine there, and a lot of other badass builds and whatever CJ brings, because you never know what CJ is gonna pop on. But I know we're gonna have some of the crazy builds there. We're also gonna be debuting a full custom build that we have for Mr. Delay's car. So we got a 2008 Challenger 6.1 liter supercharged with the Magnuson, cammed out. I mean, listen, this car has had everything done to it. Cams, headers, bro, listen, a full build cam job. Gonna be fully custom out, and that car is gonna be debuted at this event. It's custom painted. This ain't no wrap. This is a custom painted job. Can't even tell you what we got invested in this car to get this car done, but I can promise you this car is gonna be epic. Hold on a second, y'all. Thank you for calling AUDIOZONE in Irving. Thank you for calling AUDIOZONE in Irving. Thank you for calling AUDIOZONE and Irving. 3 times, that's a wrap for me, y'all. But I'm gonna show you what else we got going on. So this car should be leaving now too. We've already done all the mechanical work on this one. Go to the muffler shop, and this one should be able to get dismantled and delivered to the customer. Got the lights and everything done on this one from Mr. Jason Clark. We did the headers install, the exhaust install, made all the lighting work, installed the steering wheel, custom headlights in the front. It just made it legal for him where he could be able to drive the car. But this one should be coming out of here hopefully this week. I gotta wait for the muffler man to get that one in. And then this one's another car that we have here to build. This is gonna be a complete wide body transformation. We're gonna wide body this, kill wheel this car, company star security system, custom full build on that vehicle. You see it today, it will not be the same car when you see it done. So that's kind of an interesting thing that we have on these jobs that we have, man. We also got I know we got some other cars in my boy's shop in the dealership next door because we were overflow with cars. We have a pickup truck over there. In fact, I'm gonna walk over there now and see what they got going on. Nothing like the sound of a Mopar in the morning, baby boy. Nothing like the sound of a Mopar. But I am going to go now and check on the dealership and see what we got. I know I got a car dropped off yesterday, my day off, and that vehicle needs to have some work done. I'll find out what it is. In fact, let's go over there and see if we can get that situated to find out what's going on. But we got a customer just walked in, man. Old school customer, many years, Mr. Levon. Let's see what he needs, man. What you got going on today, my brother? Check out your radio? Yeah. All right, cool. I got that. I'm gonna get Josh on that one. Let me go to the dealership and see if they got these keys for this other car, and I'll get that going there. Go see what's going on, y'all. NTX Auto World, Reality, my favorite shop. They are not here today. Oh my God. Yeah, they are not here today. I guess they're doing something, or maybe in the auction picking up cars. But I'll get in contact with them when they get here, y'all. But stay tuned because I'm showing you on this GMC Denali truck what the finals are. It should be very loud and very epic, y'all. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So let me show you exactly what's going on today. They are working. Because look at the blue one that y'all saw that we were building out for this customer. She is now put together, down on the floor, wide body 2 wheels, 315, 3520s wrapped all the way around. This one's ready for delivery. Like I said, we didn't wrap this car or paint this car because they're gonna get it wrapped. But my thing is, look at that finish, y'all. Y'all cannot beat this, man. AUDIOZONE, definitely killing the game. We got Gordo here, we got Josh, we got Isaac, man. They just do their thing here, man. But this one, fitment is ridiculous. In fact, Tech, is there anything, if you think factory is tighter than our fits? No. They're not. I say it, man, but you know what? That's what it is, y'all. Stay tuned. Y'all, this is day number 2 on this video. We are in the progress of getting this beautiful truck out the door that y'all gonna hear this in a few minutes. It's gonna be nasty. But today we got another one in the building, man. It's a King Tony Snow's new GMC Denali HD pickup truck. He decided to bring it by to get some weird ass lighting done on it. And we're about it. Tony, you haven't done this for a minute, man. Talk on the camera. Say something to the guys on the camera today, man.
Sorry.
What's happening? You gotta be all smooth. So y'all, this is gonna get lit up with a bunch of lights. I'm not gonna show y'all anything right now, but I will tell y'all that in a few minutes, we're gonna have this car coming together, getting it situated, and get this truck rolling with all these custom lights. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, they got that one going on, but I forgot to introduce you to this one. We got an old school in the building, a 1991 Crown Victoria, man. We're lighting this up with a Planet Audio big 10-inch screen. We're doing the 6x9 in the rear deck, 5 1/4 in the front, 3 1/2 in the dash, doing the radio installing the customer's own gear, which is COG. So that means that on this one, we are going to be installing his bass package with his amplifier, doing all the installation on this one, and get this one sounding decent, man. We're also going to bring this and accompany the window tint that you can see is all damaged. So this is going to be removed on the doors, get this one situated with new tint, and hopefully get it delivered by the afternoon. The team is rolling, y'all. I am very pressed on time right now, so I can't definitely be a lot of time on the camera, but I'm just going to bring y'all some information that we get it going on, y'all. I'm going to drive y'all crazy. This is how I feel today, y'all. This is how I feel at the shop, like my head is spinning, y'all. But that's not the point. King Tony Snow. Light bar in the front, getting ready to go. Side strips here, y'all gonna see the light up in a minute. Visor lights, done. Back lights, going through the process. Everybody here is rolling. King Tony Snow is wiring on his own. Y'all didn't know he had a different side of skills. He can actually wrap wires. He could do freestyle. Why don't you just give a freestyle rap, Tony? Yo, baby, yo, baby, yo. None of that, Tony?
No, none of that.
None of that in the thing, man. But you know what? They're doing some mounts in here to get these lights flushed out. I'm kind of showing y'all a little bit what's going on, but I'll show you at the end when she is completed. And this one's here for say Fulonzo, the old school. Amps in there, boxes in there, something simple install. They're installing his big screen right now. We should have this one, but now this one is the one that we're dealing with the headache. So Josh is in the bottom of this one, y'all, installing the bottom speakers. They're marine, as you could tell, but that has been a project that has made Josh a little bit more upset than upset, y'all. So I'm gonna leave them alone, let them do what they gotta do, and the baby girl should be out hopefully soon. So now with that being said, we got a guy over here who's actually on the phone right now. We have to stay quiet because he's on the phone. It's Mr. REELTOREAL. Oh, well, if it's only Brent, we don't give a damn. Real up in the building. Brent, what's going on? Man, you know, we just doing our thing here, Brent. Billionaire Brent on the phone, man. Cool dude. Sign up, Instagram, YouTube, Billionaire Brent, great guy. You got to sign into Billionaire Brent. He is actually, I'm going to tell y'all right now on camera, man. Listen, so I'm going to tell y'all right now, and I think Real could agree with this one. Out of all the leprechauns that we know, Billionaire Brent's our favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm just giving y'all a little bit of the builds going on, y'all. We'll stay tuned as we get this rolling. And then, of course, I got my favorite subscriber in the world, my favorite person in the world. Baby, I love you.
I love you too.
Well, we're going to get back to busy. I don't want nothing. I just want to tell you I love you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. Yeah, yeah, I do. I just called to say I love you. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
Damn, Mario Cat could sing
no
too.
New Year's Day.
You really do it.
No Halloween. Be back. Y'all see me cheesing? Y'all know why I'm cheesing? I don't think y'all know why I'm cheesing. Y'all know on the previous video I had dropped off something for my Viper to get it repaired. Well, they just got here. And I am super excited because I might be able to have my car for Father's Day. Guys, my turbos are here. Like, oh my God, shout out to Turbo Max, man. I mean, in reality, I can't even tell you that I am so blessed. I mean, I actually, like a little story behind Lewis. I met Lewis a long time ago. A long time ago. He came to my old store and he was trying to open his business. I helped him get paperwork in order to open up his business, and I didn't even remember that. And when I called around, because my guy who did my turbos normally is no longer doing them, I called around, I found him, and he says, AUDIOZONE? I said, yeah. He goes, bro, you remember me? And I said, no. He goes, you helped me start up my business. This is my business that you helped me start. I'm like, bro, I didn't even know. I didn't remember. So I am ecstatically happy for the turbo, but obviously very happy for Lewis, man. He got a business going and he did a phenomenal job. I mean, I've been checking him out. I've been talking to a couple of my friends in the racing community who know him too, and he's got a good name for himself. He got my turbos done, y'all. And on top of that, I can only tell you, man, if you do need any turbo work, Turbo Max out in, what is that, Wiley? Wiley, Texas. And the phone number is? I'll put you on camera here. No. Okay, 972.
I don't know if I remember.
I'm gonna put a link on this video below, y'all, but you know, shout out to Lewis, man. If you need your turbos built, come see him. Reality, I'm very, very happy, y'all. He was very honest with me, precise, told me everything that's going on. You know, listen, guys, Turbo Max is my new turbo place. I actually got another car we're gonna be building, actually that yellow one there, and the turbos are going out to him to get rebuilt too, y'all. So stay tuned if we get the day going, but I am excited right now. Here, I'm gonna flip the camera on him. Where's Rudy? Rudy left outside. Where's Rudy at? Yeah, let me go get him real quick. And I want to just let him hear a little bit inside, and then we're gonna go outside. Yo, Rudy, where's he at? He pulling the car around?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a little quick demo just inside. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna give you a quick demo inside and then outside. A little bit inside. I'm gonna rattle my walls, but it's all good. It's all good. So this is Mr. Rudy here. And yeah, you're gonna get in trouble. You're gonna get in trouble. So this is Mr. Rudy, man. He's damn, I've known him for suspensions and stuff for a long time, man. But go ahead and give it a little demo. Go ahead, Josh. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Huh? Just a little bit.
You want to see everything fall.
Yeah, it's gonna fall. All right, y'all, so we're about to go do the Rudy here. Put it up. Blast it. He needs to be careful. He needs to be careful with the truck. It's ridiculously loud, y'all. But she's leaving now, y'all. So I don't know what to tell y'all. But you know what? It's done. Signed, sealed, delivered, man. I want to thank y'all for watching. I always thank y'all for the support. Cruise close to the finale of this day. King Tony Snow lit up like a Christmas tree, y'all. Strobes on the side. I know a subscriber named BattleCat. He could be calling me on this because he wants to do this to his car. But this is kind of what it is right here. Got the module for the doors. Got the light bar that actually turns on like a light bar in here, but also flashes red and blue. He's got all of this other lighting in here, all this other stuff over here. Then he got them in the back, as you can tell here in the window. Let me move this for y'all. Then he got all this going on. Then he has this going on. So this is what it looked like completely at the end, y'all. This truck is getting ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered, and sent out to King Tony Snow, and getting this ready to go, y'all. So I'm going to definitely end this video, man, telling y'all thank y'all for watching. I would thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.